Today we discuss about common size balance sheet. How to prepare? Let's we see how to prepare. First, in a question, the two items will be given. 2 years data will be given here. In a common size, we are calculate the percentage of a particular individual's data. Let's see how to calculate. First, it's given equity and liability, shareholders fund, share capital. Share capital in a 18, it will be 16 lakh. Now the how to calculate the percentage of in a 31st March 2018. Firstly, that is a one formula is there. Let's see. Percentage of share capital 31st March 2018 equals to given data 16 lakh into 100 for percentage and are divided the total amount. The total, how many it's given? It's a total. Total is 1 crore. The percentage will be 60%. Next, same thing, reserves and surplus. 8 lakh divided by 1 crore into 100. So, that means the percentage will be here 60%. Then here is a 8%. Same thing, 20 lakh divided by 1 crore into 100. It will be 20%. 12 lakh divided by 1 crore into hundreds. It will be 12. Total will be always total 1 crore divided by 1 crore into 100, always here be 100%. Now let's we see 31st March 2019. Same thing here. Share capital 80 lakh divided by total. What's the total will be given? 1 crore 20 lakh. 1 crore 20 lakhs. See here. 80 lakh into 100 divided by 1 crore 20 lakh. It will be approximately 66.67%. Now here is 66.67%. Same thing here. Now 12 lakh divided by 1 crore 20 lakh. The percentage will be 10%. Same thing here. 24 lakh divided by 1 crore 20 lakh into 100. The percentage will be 20%. And then here 4 lakh divided by 1 lakh 20 crore. Here will be percentages 3.33 something and total will be 100. Same thing here. Now the assets, non-current liability, here is given tangible assets and intangible assets. Here 60 lakh divided by same thing total. Total always be same. Equity and liabilities total will and the total assets always will be same. It's a 1 crore and here is a 1 crore 20 lakh. Now 60 lakh, same 60 lakh divided by 1 crore into 60 percentage. Same thing, 12 lakh divided by 1 crore into 100. The percentage will be 12. Here is the 20 lakh divided by 1 crore into 100. The percentage will be 20. And 8 lakh divided by 1 crore into 100. The percentage will be 8. And the total percentage always will be 100. Same thing here. 80 lakh divided by 1 crore 20 lakh into 100. The percentage will be here 60.67 something, and here 4 lakh divided by 1 crore 20 lakh into 100, the percentage will be 3.33. Then same thing, 24 divided by 1 crore 20 lakh into 100, 20% it will be, and 10, and the total will be 100. That means you always, it means take in a divided its total, always will be total, which will be given data, always we divided with their totals, and particular 18, if their 18's total is a 1 crore, do not mistake, if their share capital is a 60 lakh, which year, 2018, and total here is a 19. So many students doing the sometimes mistake, they will take the 19's total. It's don't do the mistake, here is a 1 crore. Okay, done it. I will hope you can understand how to prepare the common size balance sheet.